Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video we are going to be trying out some lashes, and you guys know how I feel about lashes. Me and lashes not friends. I want to get better at putting on my lashes. That I'm not there yet because I feel like sometimes my lashes don't stick together. It's just a mess. But we have some lashes here from Crislashes, and they reached out to me to do a review for you guys. And of course, I like lashes, so of course I said yes. So this is the lashes here that was sent to me. You get 7 pairs of lashes, and I got 2 different sets here. And they're a seller on Amazon. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box for you guys. So these are mink lashes, and the material is synthetic fibers. The craft is handmade, and the false lashes band is black cotton band. And the package, we have 14 pairs of lashes here. These lashes are $10. 14 pairs of lashes for $10, which I think is like really good because lashes could be very expensive. Cinderella and Dubai, 12 pairs, cruelty-free, false mint lashes. I'm not a big fan of like wearing like big crazy lashes. I like natural, like as possible. So this one here is Dubai. They look nice. And this one here is Cinderella. Cinderella has this more like wispy, and this is Cinderella. Also, they sent me the super strong whole glue, which is this right here. So we got black glue, white glue, and clear glue. I've tried out black glue before. It all depends on what eyeshadows that I have on my eyelid. I will use the black. Now the one that I really like is clear glue because you can put it on, they don't see it. That's what I wear. So you get 3 lash glue. So the lash glue is $12.99, and you get a 5% discount. You know, put it up close so you guys can see. I think I want to try out Cinderella first. I'm gonna put all of them on, 2 pairs on, and just let me know what you guys think about them. So let's just see. First thing that we have to do, we have to measure it. Put your finger, like clip it so you can get close to the lash line. Sometimes I get it correct, sometimes I don't. If I don't get everything close together, what I do is I use like a liner, and you just like darken the little spots there so no one see that little gap. That is a little trick that I do. I don't know for you. I do like this. It's like really full. I think it's a little bit long for me because I can see, when I blink, I see it's there, but it's pretty. Like, I really do like this, and it bring out this look really nice, right? These lashes are really nice. They are not heavy. The band is not heavy, and it fits really good. Like, I like it. It looks really nice. So we're gonna try out another one. So this one here, this one looks a little bit more longer. This is Dubai. Dubai looks like a little longer. She's out there. I don't know if it is gonna look good on me, but we're gonna try it. Hopefully that it's the same length. I like this lashes is not that long. We have to check to see if the lashes fit our eyes. Putting on lashes is a lot of work, especially when you don't know what you're doing, because I had a hard time putting on lashes. Okay, so this is how this lashes look. Okay, it's there. It's not really stick too much, and you guys know that I have problems sticking on my lashes, girl. The front and the back, we always have that problem, and it is what it is, girl. But you guys see exactly what this lashes looks like. I tried my best. It's there. That I really don't like black too much. The black glue, I don't really mess with them because they, you know, they leave that black stuff on the lining, and then probably you have to go back and use a liner to cover that. Now with the clear one, you don't have to do that. It dries off clear, it's fine. But I just wanted to try both these two on camera so you guys see exactly what both of them looks like, how both of them works. They are really wispy. Okay, I really love wispy lashes. I think this one looks really pretty on me. They look really pretty on me, and I really do like them. I prefer the Cinderella. It's just one type of lashes in here. You don't have to study it and see if it's different. Now with this one, yes you do, because they have two sets of lashes in one package, and I didn't know this until now. So yeah, it's my fault, but you know, you learn from your mistakes. But the one that I had on this eye, I don't like it. It's like too much there for me. I don't really wear this type of lashes. It's more natural for me, and if it's like wispy or it's like this, you know, I like it. And one thing I forgot to do again, I forgot to bend the lashes and make it, you know, fit my eyes. But I do like these. I think these are really good for the price. They are not heavy. The lash, actually these are really good. They dry down really fast. I like the clearer one better, and they dries down really fast. The glue is really good. So that's one thing I wanted to mention when I told you guys about the glue. I really do like it. Now the black one is not really my favorite because it's can be a bit messy. I tried my best. I like both of them. They look really nice. They are very full, as you guys could see. I should have put on my mascara just to blend with the lashes. I forgot to do that. So that's one thing. And the reason why I didn't do this before is because I already had mascara on. Ooh, you see, this is why I put my mascara on first, because I could poke my eyes, and they are really good for the price. $10, and you get 2 packs of lashes. If you really don't pay attention to those lashes, you won't know if there's like 2 pairs in 1 pack. So I'm gonna rearrange this and put it how I want it, because I don't like it like that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these lashes. Also this video, what you guys think. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. We are growing, and it's because of you guys that's coming back and watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys' support. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.